The Landward.com team has made it to Seefeld in Tyrol today to Erwin Neuner, the gentleman here at my side.
Hello, Erwin.
Nice to meet you. You sent us your do-it-yourself project on Landward.com, and among many other tinkering and hip jobs you have there, this is the most important machine we're talking about. What exactly have you built there? I
built a plywood splitter there, which I can operate on the front loader. It is very compact, only 1.8 meters. I used to make a wood splitter because I installed a log boiler. The wood splitter was too much work for me, so I built a log splitter instead. I have about a third of a cubic meter of round storage space. I drive over the big bags, splitting them open, and then the log is glued on.
How did this come about? Did you plan this machine? What kind of technology have you implemented? Where did you get all the materials?
So the materials, it's just scrap metal and laundry. For power, I only have the hydraulic parts, cylinders and the control units and that stuff. And there, the whole winches for application, that's power. That cost me a little over 1,000 euros. This is the only laminated wood splitter where the wood roundlings stay put and only the blade moves back and forth.
You told me beforehand that the roundlings can even be very, very large. So what sizes can you process?
The wood size is from 10 to 75 centimeters in diameter. 80 centimeters in diameter is no problem. I don't need to sort that. And all the splinter stuff that's left over with the plywood splitter, where it's just normal, that's exactly what I need for resin in the boiler.
Did the machine work from the beginning, or were there teething problems?
No, that surprised me too. During construction, everything worked as intended except for the knife arrangement. I had to cut them out again and rearrange them, but now it fits as well.
What numbers and performance data can you tell us about now? So what does your front hydraulics need to be capable of in order for you to operate it?
So I now have a cylinder on it, where I can bring together 15 tons of splitting pressure. And there I should be able to generate about 60 liters of hydraulic power, so that it is somewhat manageable. The larger the cylinder, the slower it will be in the end.
What is the weight of your machine?
We are almost at 800 kilos now. So it's very robustly built. You could certainly build it a bit lighter, but it was important to me that it doesn't get bent after a stupid block on partial saws or stupid lying around.
How does the cultivation work?
Cultivation is totally simple. I drive in alone with the pallet fork, make 2 bolts, close the hydraulic equation, and that's it. 2 minutes, everything said. A special feature is also the adjustable splitting chamber, because I can adjust the splitting chamber hydraulically between 25 and 50, because it should be quite tight. If it's loose now, then they tip over and then you have to get out again. And through the adjustable chamber, the rails fall down, and in about one quantity, I can easily make 4 to 5 big bags per hour, all by myself.
Okay, that sounds great, and like a super project, especially if it's so important to you that you can work with wood alone on your farm. Thank you, Erwin, for introducing your automatic wood splitter. And dear DIYers, maybe you're now also tempted to send us your projects. Instructions can be found on the Landward.com website. We are thrilled to see the top projects.